I'm going to help you through Classroom Practice 37 now. If you would like to turn to that, I can help you get started with number 3. I think you'll be able to do 1 and 2 on your own, but I want to help you with number 3 because it will also help you with exercise 2. So let's look at sentence 3. So we ask ourselves, well, let's read the sentence together. Jill baked a cake for the party. So you ask yourself, who baked? That's Jill, so that's our subject noun. What did Jill do? Jill baked. That's a verb. And you know that your slash between your subject and your predicate comes before the verb. Okay, now we're going to see, is there any word in this sentence that tells what she baked? Yes, it's the word cake. So cake has to be our direct object. That means if cake is our direct object, we come back to our verb and we make that into verb transitive. Remember in the Latin, trans means over or to the other side. So it means that we're taking our action from bake, and what is it that she baked? She baked a cake. So that's the direct object. And now you know that for the party is the prepositional phrase, and we're going to label that the same way that we always do. And is our article adjective. This sentence is a declarative. And if you remember, on the line, we do subject noun, verb transitive, direct object, pattern 2. Now that gives us a chance to come down to sentence 2, exercise 2, because it says to use sentence 3 to complete the table below. Now, if you remember, there are 3 jobs that a noun can have. So a noun can be a subject noun, a noun can be a direct object, a noun can be the object of the preposition. And in this sentence, we do have those 3 we do have those 3 types of noun jobs in this sentence. We have a subject noun, we have a direct object, and we have the object of the preposition. So we're going to list the nouns that are used. We have Jill, we have cake, and at the very end you have party. So the noun job with Jill, well, look here. We already have that answer written in our sentence. So we're just going to transfer it down here to our chart. How about cake? Does it have a job? Yes, it's a direct object. So we're going to put direct object here. And party also has a job. It's the object of the preposition. And we've already determined that because we put those above the words in the sentence. And now you'll just complete the rest of the chart the same way. Jill is singular. Jill is proper. Cake is singular. Cake is common. Party is singular. Party is a common noun. Our simple subject is Jill. And our simple predicate is baked. Not so hard. Look at what you've learned. You know three jobs for nouns. I'd like to also share with you today how to do exercise 3 on the same page. This is still practice 37. And if you look at that, you're going to see that you've got several jobs to do. Let's read the directions. Underline the verb or verb phrase. Identify the verb by writing 1 for present tense, 2 for past tense, 3 for future tense. Write the past tense form and write R for regular or I for irregular. So I've done some of these and I just want to go over that with you. The first job is to underline the verb or verb phrase. So on Brent cleans the car every Saturday, cleans is your verb. Cleans, because it ends in an S, you see this S right here, makes it present tense. And then we write the past tense form on the next blank, and we know that that is a regular verb. Now, you can look back at your verb chart that we went over the other day, and you can find the word, oh, I'm not seeing it. Let's do it with a different one. Let's do number 2. Number 2 says, my cousin gave candy to us after dinner. So we've got gave as your subject, gave as your verb. It is past tense because it's already been done. And our past tense verb is gave, and it is an irregular verb. So now let's look at the chart for this one. So you're going to use your chart that's reference 118, and you come up here to give. And when your book asks you to write the main verb past tense, you come over to this column listed past tense, and you write the word that's there, gave. And that's why we wrote it here for the main verb past tense, and it's irregular. Let's do one more, and then you can go back and finish up yours. Let's do number 8. Our collie will play fetch with you. Will play means that it hasn't been done yet. It is future tense. And so that is number 3. Our directions say write a 3 for future tense. So here's our 3. But look here, you're still going to write the main verb past tense form. So past tense form is played. Well, I know that because I can say a sentence like, yesterday I played. I can also see it here in my chart on reference 118. You have play for the present tense, played for your past tense. So that makes this a regular verb. These vowels did not change from play to played. So that makes it a regular verb. So you can go ahead and finish up the rest of Classroom Practice 37. I know that you can do the editing part on your own. And the answer sheet is in your packet if you get stuck on any of this. We'll be doing exercise 3, those types of activities, for several times in your book so that you'll get that down pat. But if you use reference 118, it'll help you a lot. Good luck with that.